give people a 1-2. Okay. You can win this car today. What up, boys? If you are watching this, you can enter to win right now for our K24 EG hatch. You can enter at www.eastcoastimport.com. I'll also post a link up in the description. I'll put the full build specs also in the description for you guys to enter. And don't worry, if you guys don't have Facebook or Instagram, I'm gonna post everything up on YouTube as well. I know a lot of people don't have social media, but we're gonna go through the full car, engine bay, interior, underneath the car, like give you the full tear down. I also made a playlist of the car, so you guys can go back and rewatch the full build from start to finish. And then, like I said, we're just gonna go through the complete car for the new viewers that are watching. That way you see what you get. So let's start off with the engine bay. I got my brother here to give us a hand.
What's up, guys? I'm really excited. I really don't want to give this car away, but I mean, it is what it is. We want you guys to enjoy this, so hopefully somebody goes to a good home. But
we are very sad to give this car away. The only reason I think we're giving the car away is because we have a bunch of them. So we figure we don't use the car, one of you guys could definitely use the car. And actually, it's kind of like a promo for us too. Like somebody gets the car, they see it in the street, they see who built the car. It's great. You know, the car is amazing.
On top of that too, right, there's a lot of cars out there for sale, but most of the cars out there aren't really built right. You know, like there's a lot of sketchy stuff that goes on online. You never really know what you're buying until you get it. But here, you know the car is built right. There's quality work done, quality parts here. So.
And the car is done from top to bottom. Like, it doesn't just look good on the engine bay. Exterior is done, interior is done, underneath of the car is done, full suspension is done. This is a full build. Let's start with the engine bay and we'll tell you guys exactly what we got here.
So obviously, we painted the engine bay. For those who don't know, it's Milano red. We have a hybrid, full-size radiator, and K24 motor. It's got brand new, so inside the motor, it's got brand new chain, brand new guides, got a Type-S oil pump, brand new oil pump chain. I have an RBC intake manifold, Skunk 2 throttle body, ktuned water neck. There's a bunch of parts here. What else do we have? Hasport motor mounts, ktuned shift cables.
Everything that you guys see on here, everything's been touched. Literally everything. Down to the battery tie down, down to the charge harness, down to the fuse box, brake booster, like all the small stuff, you know? Everything, all the bolts, firewall plugs. Literally everything has been going through on this car. Traction bar, you name it, it's on here. Every single bolt. Everything's been painted. You see underneath the hood, engine bay, front lip. The front lip is also brand new on here. The complete car just looks amazing. Like whoever wins this car, I kid you not, I wouldn't even sell it. Down to the brakes and rotors. My brother refinished the calipers, got Block's 4-piston calipers, put the Honda badge on there. Yes, the car's coming with the 15-inch Volt TE37s. What's the specs on the wheels?
They're 15x8 plus 35, and they're wrapped in Toyo R888s. 205 50-15s.
Man, this car is just...
Man, this car is... I'm really upset with this car.
Start with the door panels, you guys. So, door panels suede.
Suede with the red stitching.
The headliner's suede.
Let me show you guys. So as those who do know about EG hatchbacks, right? This all comes gray. The panels on the inside, the pillars come gray. So everything inside is black to match the rest of the interior. Suede headliner. What else?
The roll bar in the back to match the TE37s with the valve cover. Just
pull
amazing.
The seat all the way forward, but
so now we got the Type R rear seats. We got the red stitch, brand new seats. Those things
seats are immaculate. Like nobody ever sat in them before.
And my favorite thing is they got the black cargo cover. We'll pop the trunk for you guys.
This cargo cover is hard to come by too.
That thing is just fresh.
All the panels are clean.
I want to point out one thing for them.
What is that?
I want to point out one thing for you guys, right? The most important part of the car, right? I'll tell you guys, and my brother will agree with me. All the trim, every single trim, all of this, the window trim, this trim, the windshield ones,
these plastics,
the plastics, the belt moldings are brand new. The windshield ones are brand new. Look at that. The windshield itself is brand new. We put an antenna delete, brand new gasket on here. Literally every gasket, even down to the mud guards. Mud guards are brand new. We're just trying to get into detail to show you what type of build this is. It's not just your regular Civic hatchback. Like, there's a lot of time in this car. Even though we did it very fast because we have a great team here, this car probably would have took someone over a year or 2 years to build, you know? But let's put this car up on the lift. We'll get it on we'll show you guys the suspension. And my favorite part also about this car, the whole car is my favorite, but underneath the car, the undercoat. It's literally, it looks OEM and it looks amazing. I can't wait to show it to you guys. The level of detail on this car is crazy. Down to the Civic emblems, brand new from Honda. Even the little rubber gasket for the key. So we got the car lifted up, and I always forget how nice and a crazy job we did underneath this car. Like, I even forgot we put a brand new gas tank in here, so I'll show it to you guys. The car just looks great. Look at this.
We got MPC Motorsports, billet tie bars, subframe brace, control arms, K-tuned suspension, trailing arms are refinished. We got brand new rotors in there, calipers.
Look at the fill neck. This is the fill neck for the gas tank, and look at all the undercoat. Like,
it's not even undercoat, it's truck bedded, so it's not sticky. It's dry, feels good. And it wasn't sprayed on using air cans. Like, we really sprayed this on using a gun, a spray gun.
This looks like a brand, literally it's a brand new car.
Obviously we've been driving it, but brand new gas tank with brand new exhaust, brand new e-brake cables. But look at the whole car underneath though. There's no dents in the bottom of the car.
All the hardware is new, zinc. Like, it's really, really nice under here. Like, really, really nice. The exhaust, like the exhaust work is so nice also. This is 1320 exhaust.
A lot of people don't take the time building a car. You know, they're like, oh, underneath the car you don't really see it. But that's like the most important to us, you know, like the stuff that you don't see.
And all the suspension components too are also brand new.
Brand new control arms. We powder coated the subframe. New axles, obviously. Everything is literally brand new in this car.
Underneath of this car, like, even when we ran the shift cables and then the engine harness, everything is super nice, clean, tucked.
There's a grommet
even
in
the
there.
O2 sensor wire, so it's not rubbing on the exhaust. Wow. Look at the intake. That's actually super dope. So we kept the splash guard and they put a hole in the front of the splash guard to put the intake. That's actually super smart too. Wow.
You show them also the frame rail underneath here?
Yeah, the frame rail, there's no rot, there's no rust. And remember boys, this is a Florida car. So you're not getting a Connecticut car, you're getting a Florida car, no rust at all. We got it also with no rust.
Original quarter panels too, did you show them that?
Yeah, let's show them the quarters. The quarters are original, you guys see that? They got all those dimples in it. There's no body work that's been done to here. Like, you can see all the dimples in the quarter, original quarters.
Usually,
yeah, the spot welds.
Like, if a quarter's been replaced, you won't really see the spot weld or if there's Bondo filled in. But original quarter panels.
These wheels are so nice. All right, we're gonna lower the car again. I'm gonna show you guys the interior and just show you guys the bay real quick. But remember, you can enter now at eastcoastimport.com. And I'm gonna post all my social media at Sonic203 and Facebook pages, East Coast Import. Just so you guys, if you guys don't have social media, I'll also leave it here on YouTube. I'm gonna pick the winner live on Instagram and Facebook. I haven't figured out how to do YouTube live yet, but if you guys watching, just make it an Instagram, make it Facebook so you guys could watch the live. I'm gonna pick a winner live. It's gonna be a list. It's not gonna be like those big giveaway companies. You guys can see exactly how many people are in it also. All right, boys, make sure to enter the win for this car now. I'm gonna go over it real quick. Just look at this, is exactly what you see is exactly what you're getting. Comes just like this. Amazing, amazing job here. We're just gonna go over the interior real quick one more time.
Show the body real quick. This whole car's been paint corrected. Check out the paint. There's no swirls in the paint at all.
Look at the hood. The hood is flat.
I just want you to guys see, like, I wish the camera can really pick up like how clean this car is, but this car is just flawless.
I don't even have a favorite for it. Like, everything is my favorite. Engine bay, wheels, interior, underneath the car, suspension, everything just came out perfect.
We would pull the car outside for you guys, but it's raining. Let's check out the interior one more time. Check out these seats. The car with seats is super clean. Got an OEM steering, SAR steering wheel. OEM CTR shift knob. It's got an SAR clock in there. Type R rear seats.
Yo, you should start the car up for him real quick. I'll pop the hood.
This is a cold start too.
We have not started this thing at all. Now I'll show you guys the temp gauge just so you know we're not lying. That's a true cold start. Yo, give me a couple revs real quick. And it's not smoking.
I don't want to rev it up too much, it's still cold, but yeah, this thing doesn't smoke at all.
This thing is quiet. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Super, super quiet. Like really quiet. Damn, HID or LED headlights. You took care of them, huh? Everything is done up. Down to the headlight bulb.
It's turnkey car. Whoever gets this car, lucky motherfucker, I tell you that.
Alright boys, if you guys are watching this, go enter to win this car right now. And if you guys have any questions at all, drop a comment in the comments. I will answer every comment. Just make sure to really ask a question and I will answer it. Any questions at all, how to enter, just hit me up or drop a comment or hit me up on Instagram. You can enter to win this car right now, eastcoastimport.com. I will drop the link in the description for you guys and good luck.